What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in the Chevrolet Bolt Smart Key Remote Fob. This Chevy Bolt key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video. It's where you can purchase these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we're going to do in order to replace the battery is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the side that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, this is the slot that the emergency key slid out of. What I'm going to do is take my emergency key and I'm just going to put the very end of it in that hole and then pry up on the back cover like that. And then once the back cover is popped off, you can pull it the rest of the way off with your fingers. And now we see our battery right here. And you may be able to get this out with your finger or even the emergency key, but I find it optimal to grab a flathead screwdriver, pop the battery out of that little holder. Then we'll grab our new replacement battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing the battery with the plus side down on the cover, like that. Go ahead and snap that into place in its cover, and then we can snap the two halves of the key fob back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.